Welcome to our guide on how to share a rotated photo on Instagram Story with the latest updates. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to add a creatively rotated photo to your Instagram Story. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device to start the process of sharing a rotated photo on your story. Tap on Your Story, located at the top left corner of the screen, to access your story creation options. You can either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. Once you have the desired photo, tap Next at the top right to proceed. After selecting the photo, you can rotate it by using two fingers to adjust the orientation to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the rotation of the photo, tap the check icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to confirm the changes. To share the rotated photo on your Instagram Story, tap on Your Story, located at the bottom left corner of the screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily share creatively rotated photos on your Instagram Story to engage with your followers in a unique way. Thank you for watching, and enjoy adding a creative touch to your Instagram Stories with rotated photos.